So there was 4 Shelby GT500s stolen right out from under Ford's nose at their Flat Rock assembly plant. Welcome to Automotive Antics. I'm Kevin, and 4 GT500s are gone right out of Ford's Flat Rock assembly plant, and these thieves were not subtle about it. One, I can't believe that someone would have the nerve to steal GT500s, not 1 or 2, but 4 of them right from the assembly plant. Now, this happened Sunday at, according to police, 10:25 p.m., where they said 4 Shelby GT500s were stolen, where one of which was used to crash through the security gate, allowing the other 3 to pass through undamaged. Now, 2 of these cars have been recovered. Now, police say that they have found 2 of the Shelby GT500s recovered on I-75 abandoned, one of which had heavy front end damage. Obviously, that's going to be the one they used as a battering ram to get through the gate. Now, the other 2 are still missing. There are no occupants found, no suspects yet. The other 2 are in Belladonna Black. So we're looking for 2 black Shelby GT500s that were stolen. And surprisingly, there is no video footage as of yet. But then again, the police could have that footage and they're just not releasing it to us. We'll have to wait down the road and see if that pops up. But it's pretty amazing that 4 of them were gone from the assembly plant. Now, I cannot imagine that these cars are easy to hotwire. Now, does this sound like an inside job? Maybe someone had keys, they had access to the cars, because I'm not a professional car thief, thank God, but I can't imagine these cars being easy to hijack. Modern cars are very complicated, but obviously it can be done. Now, GT500s are a hot commodity right now, and with the way the market is with used cars, or even new cars for that matter, if you can find the car you want, especially one like a GT500, you're going to pull some big money on that black market. Heck, dealerships are adding quite an incredible price hike, and some would even say price gouging, so you can imagine why they would target such a high-end vehicle. Plus, not only could you sell it all in one piece, but you could part it out and strip it down for parts, and that 5.2 supercharged engine is going to bring quite a bit of money. Now, there's no further description from the police on these 2 GT500s other than they're black. We don't know if they're stripes, we don't know if it's track pack, we don't know anything else about the car, but if you're in the area, keep an eye out for 2 black Shelby GT500s. If you see them and something looks suspicious, give your local police department a call. Do me a favor, drop a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Hit that subscribe button as well on your way out if you haven't already. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you in the next upload.